chili. Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning. Today we are working on the 1996 Mazda Miata. It is now turbocharged, but you haven't seen that work yet. Today we're installing a new fuel filter, which is located on the rear passenger side in the US of A, which behind this thing. And there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different little fasteners to remove to get this plastic guard off, and then we'll be able to get that fuel filter out.
So we heard some clunking on the front of the car.
We're getting passed by the sheriff.
Oh yeah!
Interesting
Oh,
angle.
we got a Phillips here. We're gonna just, really make a whole lot of progress today. Well, Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4. And oh Jesus. Top of the shield. There she be. Some hose right there. Hose right there. I'm gonna go open up the gas cap to relieve a little bit of pressure. That's what someone else said. I don't know if that's actually gonna do anything beneficial for us or if it's just a load of hogwash. Hog wallabies. We're gonna take this hoe off here. Hose.
Oh, goodness.
Well, gee.
Are ya?
Gosh golly. A wider pliers. Okay. These hose clamps don't even look that old. Now here's the fun part, kids.
No drip pan?
Hercules. That doesn't feel like it moved at all. Oh. Oh, yep. That's
fuel.
Gasoline right there.
Oh, it's a good amount of it.
Cold. Smells bad. Oh god. You think that's just gonna keep going? It's only one way to find out, right?
I mean,
Kind of looks like it's just gonna keep going, huh?
it
Oh, it's done. I'll have one of these cleaned up anyways. Oh god.
oh.
Yep, there's some in the filter too. So maybe I should have ran it without with the relay off. I have gasoline in my hair. It's all over the ground.
That's why it's a drip pan. And you were like, nope.
Well, the drip pan, I don't want that to have gasoline in it, because then that's like a permanent fire hazard. This is just a temporary fire hazard.
Should I go get a lighter?
No, but I think we should consider some way of plugging this.
Are you thinking that's gonna like...
This will be done shortly.
It is now.
It doesn't look like the filter has much in it. Yeah, it looks like a lot. So now that we have our hoses off and half of our gas tank on the floor, we're gonna take these 10mm bolts off. Fortunately, that was relatively loose. Oh gosh, getting a little nauseated from all these fumes. So here's our new Nippon fuel filter. They should be changed every 60,000 miles to assure that you don't receive any clogging and cause a misfire. It was a lean situation, especially in a turbocharged car. Although I would imagine if it completely leaned out, you just wouldn't get any combustion. Now those up maybe 15 foot-pounds or so. Get your hose back on. Get your other hose back on. Ready to rock and roll. I believe this is 5/16 hose or so. If you wanted to replace it, it'd probably be a good idea. I don't have enough laying around to replace these sections. But as always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for future episodes. We have the whole turbo install documented, somewhat mediocrely. But leave a comment below. Let us know what fuel filter you're planning on installing in your Miata. And we'll see you next time.